Hi, Jay Bretz, the owner of Excel Roofing. I'm here today to talk to you about the roof system and the three main components of it, specifically attic ventilation. The first component of the roof system is going to be the roof itself. The shingles, the tile, whatever you have on top of the roof, that's going to be the main protectant that keeps the water out. The second part of the roof system is insulation. You want to have at least 20 inches of insulation up in your attic. That provides a great barrier and keeps that hot air from coming down, and it keeps that warm air that you pay for in the wintertime to stay in the house, or during the summertime it keeps it nice and cool. But the most important thing is the ventilation. On the ventilation we have soffit vents. We want the colder air coming in through the bottom of the roof, and we have that come in. And then what we want is the hot air in the attic to be exited out through the top. There's a number of different ways to do this. We like solar-powered attic fans. That is one of the best ways to do it. What we do is we install a device right here. It looks a little bit like a mushroom. It's got fan blades inside of there and a photovoltaic cell. So when the sun hits the photovoltaic, it turns the fan on and it literally just pulls that hot air out of the attic. We have different types of vents. One would be a ridge vent. A ridge vent's another real good system that we can put on the top right there. But the main concept is we want that air to come in through the bottom and out through the top, whether it be through a fan or some other type of vents. This is one of the things that we see most roofers get wrong. They don't have the proper amount of soffit vents down at the bottom, or they don't have the proper amount of vents up top. So this is a real important thing to pay attention when you're having your roof done. Make sure that they get the attic ventilation correct. Thanks for watching, and if you want to see more great videos, you should go to our website and look at the videos, excelroofing.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.
Excel Roofing, we're on top of it.
Hola, I am Eco the Frog with Excel Roofing. And here's the deal.
Get a free solar-powered attic fan with the purchase of a new roof. The solar-driven fan sucks out the superheated air in your attic, cooling your home and saving you money.
At Excel Roofing, you don't pay a cent until you're content.
We're